So what we're doing today is we're doing what we call in the schoolhouse world drown proofing. So what we're doing is we're trying to train these soldiers in the event of us losing the vessel at sea, how are we going to survive out in the water until help can come and save the day. So 88 Lima is a watercraft engineer. That's our eyes and ears down in them engine rooms. The NCOs are the backbone of the Army, and they're the ones keeping that vessel running for us and keeping us safe while we're underway. So the life raft will start upside down for these soldiers, and they are directed to check themselves for sharps or pointy objects and then jump into the water. Once they enter the water, they have to find the lowest point of the life raft and climb onto the life raft using the systems already on the life raft made for this occurrence. Once they climb up on the life raft, they have to grab the righting straps, sit as low as they possibly can, get their center of gravity as low as they can into the life raft, and then attempt to flip the life raft over, all while ensuring that they know their escape route to get out from under the life raft so that they can then enter into the life raft. One of my favorite things is being able to sail. The Army literally, it trusts me to get on a 300-foot boat and sail across the ocean. That is so cool. Job's different every day. I may have an engine go down in the engine room. I may have a hydraulic pump that I have to fix on the bow outside. It's just different. It's awesome. I get to mentor soldiers and spend time with soldiers, and for lack of better words, it keeps me young, I guess. So to me, it's one of the greatest honors that I could ever have. The fact that I'm able to lead and grow with the soldiers as well is fun, and it's something that I get up and look forward to every single day. I really, really, really enjoy this job. I'm CW3 Derek Collins, and I'll see you at GoArmy.com.